So after that I will start how we can use this icon and how we can implement it. So before starting I just ask any doubt, just tell me and I will explain.
Krishna,
Yeah, tell me.
regarding to the icons,
Mm-hmm.
different icons have different sheets and different height and width, right?
Mm-hmm.
At the time, how we can conclude that every icon should be same height and same width?
You can go through and check properly. You can go through and check each layout.
But
Cut.
sometimes it won't be repeated and it will be unique, right? At the time, how we can assume that?
Unique, I don't understand. Can you tell me means properly? Don't understand.
Means these above in Figma, those shapes are different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Along with that,
Okay.
if we have another shapes with different height and different width,
Okay,
then
okay,
how
okay.
we can conclude it should be
Okay,
like
okay, okay.
same.
Okay, listen. So we first check symmetricity. Okay. If is it not symmetric, means not same as for like a same section. So you can discuss with you just inform to UI designer. Okay. So UI designer first check it's if he design everything without any changes, so he will modify. But he got instruction for project manager side or client side. It means he told actually I for like a user I need bigger size, bigger image. So as for instruction they will create like that. Otherwise he won't get any separate instruction for any particular section to change. So uh, that scenario they will change. Otherwise they won't change. They will like design as a symmetric. Otherwise by mistake they can change. So after, if you inform the UI designer, he will first check for our side, means for his own side. After that they will tell you if it is possible, so he will change. Otherwise he told as for a PM instruction I just change it. Okay, means for in is like a simple way you can say for if project manager or clients want to change that icon, that's why a UI designer can change. Otherwise they won't change.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so this is the Figma, and now how to implement and how to use these icon. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to start, okay, one by one. So after that you can able to like import images, icons, and whatever you want you can do. Because first time if you are going to work with Figma, so you are facing a lot of issues like how to import images, how to import icons, lot of things. Okay, so after that once I will explain, after that I hope your all doubts will resolve. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to design this section. Okay, for desktop. So let's see, design one sections. Okay, so Sonata. I'm going to design from scratch.